Hello students. So our unit name is Queries, Forms and Reports in MS Excel 2013. In our last class we had discussed what is database and which are the places where databases are basically used. So in this today's class we will discuss about the classification of database users. So let's start our today's topic. Classification of database users. In this diagram, you can see that database can be classified into these certain groups: administrator, developer and users. So let's go to the next slide to know more about it. Database users. So before we start, we should know what is database users. The people who are accessing or working with the database are called database users and administrators. We know that the primary aim of DBMS is to store the data or information, which you have already discussed in our last classes. So, database administrator. In short, you can say DBA. DBA can a single person or a group of person. DBA has central control over both data and applications program. DBA is responsible for everything that is related to database. Administrator make policies, strategies and provides technical supports. Developer. The name itself shows that one who is developing database. Developers also called database programmer. Developer refers to the group of people who works on the design of the database. If the application programmers are not there, then there will be no creativity in the whole team of the database. So developers plays very important role in DBMS. End users. End users are those who can access the database from the terminal ends. They are using the application without having any knowledge about the design and the working of database. So basically their main motive is to get the desired results whatever the task is given to them. So we can say that the end user is the consumer who finally uses database to insert, delete and update data in the database. So for example of end users are clerical staff in any bank and railway.